because salicylic acid around the eyes. Not sure about that. Yes. Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with a heart. Yes, nice to see you again. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Yes. And just so you know, the Look Fantastic Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box subscription for $16, and it is based from the United Kingdom. Yes. And just so you know, I really love their box. It's actually my favorite because it's wrapped in another box. So this is almost like a keepsake, and it's super nice. And once you actually open it, it actually has a message saying, be kind to the planet and it will be kind to you. Thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for giving us that reminder. And once you open it, the first thing that you're going to see is the magazine that tells you the products that we got inside, as well as the featured product next month. And next month's featured product is, let's see, the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer that is valued at 22 pounds. And who doesn't like Elemis? Elemis, I think, is one of the best skincare companies out there. So without further ado, let's start with the first product. Yes, so the first product here is the Dr. Lipton 100% Natural Superfood Red Radish Pigment. Yes, and what is this? It says it's a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of color with a 100% natural ingredients list for a softer pout. It has lanolin and anthocyanins, which is a plant pigment from red radish. Oh, wow, that's nice. And you can apply this on the cheeks or eyelids as well. Oh my gosh. But first, let's put it on right on our hand. Let's see. Let's put it right here. Oh, wow. It actually really has that nice red pigment. Let's actually put a little bit on our lips. It also smells really good. And it feels really good. It actually reminds me of the Clinique Super Balm. So really happy about that. So the next product here is the ESPA Natural Beauty Intercom 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. And let's read what it has to say. It says that this is a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective kind of skin ingredients to replenish, protect, and soothe your delicate eye area. So the ingredients here are myrrh, frankincense, neroli, ginkgo biloba, evening primrose, and jojoba oil. Yes, and this one actually says that it's made in England. Yes, I really don't want to use it yet because it's super small, but I really love these little baby eye creams. So when you travel, definitely it's very plane friendly. Yes, so the next product here is the Ritual of Jing, your path to inner peace, relax, mild body scrub. Yes. And what is this? It says that this is a exfoliating body scrub composed of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells whilst giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. Wow. This one actually also has sacred lotus, jujube, shea butter, and coconut oil. Yes, and it's made in Europe. That's what it says, and it's made it with love. Look at that, it says in there. So let's actually smell it. Oh my gosh. Wow, that really smells nice. Let's actually feel it a little bit. Let's see if it actually has those granule particles, because that's actually how I love my scrubs. Oh yes, I can definitely feel the granules. That will definitely take off the dead skin cells on our skin. Yeah, so super happy about that. So the next product here is the exfoliating pad, which is from the Gentle Facial Buffer, and this is she. This actually reminds me of the Loofah products way back in the Philippines because they actually almost have like the same material. This is just a little bit fancier because it's packaged with this nice cloth and handle right in the back. And it actually says that this is also cruelty-free and vegan. And it also gently exfoliates your skin with this natural facial buffer that's made with natural cotton and flax. That's pretty amazing. Wow. So really looking forward to using this. And this one is designed and developed in the United Kingdom and it's made in China. There we go. Yeah, so super happy with this. Looking forward to that. So the fifth product here is the Philip Kingley styling, finishing touch, polishing serum. Yes! And let's read what it has to say. It actually says in here that this is a frizz-fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style the hair. Packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane that is 100% recyclable and manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. And this one also has vitamin B5, vitamin A, and citric acid as well. Wow. And this one is made in the United Kingdom. So let's actually smell it. I really love this product as well, especially when I travel, because like I have these like baby hairs right here and they actually go all over the place. So I actually love using these things. And it really smells. Oh my God! I actually like accidentally like pressed so much of that. It's actually in a, let me see. Wow, it's actually kind of feels a little bit silicone-y. I'm not sure if this one actually has silicone in it, but you know what? It really smells really good. I mean, really, really pleasant smell. Yes, oh my gosh, I wasted so much of that product. I wish I did not press so much of it. But anyway, that's fine. We're really doing a real unboxing here. And the last product here is the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. Yes, let's read what it has to say. It says that this is a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer, and brighter thanks to its signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex. Yes! But you know what? This one also has salicylic acid and wilbark. So the fact that this one actually has salicylic acid, I'm not sure if I want to use it right on my eyes to take off the makeup because salicylic acid around the eyes, not sure about that. Yes. But you know what? Let's actually smell it. And this one actually is made in Ireland. Yes. But let's smell it. But it smells really good. So really looking forward to using this. And yes, the fact that this cleanser actually helps to remove traces of pollution and SPF, that's actually a win for me because I wear sunscreen every day. And as we all know, sometimes SPF can really adhere so much onto the skin. So really looking forward to using this cleanser. And it also smells very good. So let me give you a recap of everything we got. So we actually got the lip tint, super cute. We also got our eye cream. We also got our body scrub that really scrub really well. We also got our, oh my God, the finishing hair serum that I actually wasted. Oh my gosh. We also got our gentle facial buffer. And we also got our cleanser, and everything is for $16. If you actually ask me, I think it's worth it for $16. I'm really happy so far with the lip tint, really looking forward for the eye cream, and really looking forward for the facial scrub. Even actually the hair serum, and actually pretty much everything. I know, I'm like all over the place, but my top 3 ones are the lip, the eye, and the scrub as well. And there you have it for the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So do you think it's worth it for $16? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as my new segment, which is a makeup and story time episodes, please consider subscribing as well. And again, this is Alicat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with a heart, reminding you that you are beautiful with or without makeup. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. And as always, I love you very much. And have a great day! Bye!